A huge number of hatchlings enclosed by darkened organic product pieces and stinky meats are a picture that will miss a great many people's hungers. Be that as it may, these fly little dogs appear to have their spot in our table by entering the natural pecking order soon. The South African organization, Agri-Protein, began activities a year prior to build up the world's biggest fly hatchlings ranch in this field, where it produces preliminaries. In the USA, France, Canada and the Netherlands, huge-scope creepy crawly creation is begun as chicken, pork and fish food. Many individuals went to the meeting on bugs to take care of the world held in the Netherlands in June a year ago. A large portion of the members accept that creepy crawlies will before long supplant oats and soybeans in taking care of domesticated animals. Despite the fact that chickens infrequently eat bugs, it is made arrangements for the first run-through to take care of the domesticated animals to a great extent as food. Things being what they are individuals prepared for the possibility that their food items are taken care of with creepy crawlies? Elective Creature Feed. The Unified Countries Food and Agribusiness Association expresses that, by 2050, 70% more food will be required for steers because of populace development and expanded interest for meat and fish. This will put an additional weight on arable land and fish stocks. These days, 33% of the fish caught are utilized as creature feed. Feed for animals is progressively exorbitant. Consequently, elective creature takes care of become significant. Agri-Protein plans to deliver 20 tons of hatchlings and 20 tons of manure for every day at the business Hatchlings Homestead to be opened in Cape Town. Various extras are utilized to take care of the hatchlings of 3 unique sorts of flies, for example, food deposits, fertilizer, slaughterhouse buildups. After male and female flies are created in goliath holders, their eggs are expelled and blended in with these substances. 1 kilo fly egg transforms into 380 kilo hatchling in 3 days. The dried hatchlings are ground and changed over into nitrogen-rich manure. This item has been enlisted as chicken and fish feed in South Africa. Agri-Protein is anticipating endorsement for the utilization of iron-rich hatchlings that feed on slaughterhouse items as pig feed. Canadian Enterra Feed Enterprise intends to significantly increase hatchlings creation to be utilized as pet food, while American EnviroFlight produces hatchlings as fish feed. Ynsect will dispatch enormous scope housefly creation close to Paris in 2016. Legitimate deterrents in any case, the laws in certain nations are blocking such activities for now. In the European Association, creepy crawlies are dependent upon the guidelines overseeing the creatures secured by customary animals. As it were, these proteins can be taken care of to pet creatures, however they can't be given to creatures that aren't. In the USA, each state has its own standards. In certain states, for example, Ohio, creepy crawly protein can be taken care of to creatures took care of for human utilization. In Canada, letting creepy crawly hatchlings be utilized in agribusiness and as chicken feed is on the plan. So what do consumers look like at eating meat from hatchlings took care of creatures? A great many people are evaluated to regard it. The promoters of this direction accentuate that chickens and fish eat creepy crawlies in their regular living spaces, and that developing hatchlings will turn into a significant area in the following 10-15 years.